Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Leanna. If you're just joining us, this is our third lesson in our Crochet for Beginners series. In our last two lessons we learned how to make a chain and also how to do a single crochet. If you've missed either of these, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to watch, and then you can pop back over here if you need a refresher. Today we're going to go through the half double crochet. It's similar enough to the single crochet. It's kind of a cross between the single crochet and a double crochet. It's a little bit shorter now than the double crochet, which we will do in lesson 4. Same tools as last time, but I'll go through that with you again shortly, so let's begin. Okay, you'll need the same tools as we had the last time, so you're going to need a little 5mm crochet hook. You're going to need your medium weight yarn again. I'm using a little bit of a darker color today, but obviously you can use whatever you have there. And scissors, tapestry needle, and a stitch marker. Okay, so for today we are going to start out with a chain 12. So anybody that is unsure how to make a chain, please check out the description and pop back to lesson 1, and then once you have that done, please pop back over here and continue with this one. So basically I'll just do a quick explanation with you. So what a half double crochet is, it's a mixture between a single crochet and a double crochet. It creates a nice little bit of height like a double crochet, but still has the beginner friendly feeling, and it's very popular in patterns like scarves, blankets and hats. Okay, to begin, so we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert the hook into the third chain from the hook and pull through a loop. Okay, so now you've got 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. So you're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3. So you can see it adds a little bit more than our single crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Now try and show you that a little bit better. Yarn over, insert through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. At any point during these tutorials in the settings for YouTube, you're able to slow the videos down if you need it a little bit slower. But we're going to work this half double crochet all the way to the end. Okay, so now that we've got to the end, we're going to chain 2. Okay, and a lot of people at this point would like, as I said in the previous one, to put a little stitch marker in their last stitch there. Okay, just so they can keep finding the end. So you should have 10 stitches there now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so once you have that and you have your chain 2, we're going to turn the work, and then we're going to continue in the next stitch, making half double crochets the whole way across again. Okay, any questions, please pop them into the comments and I'd be happy to answer them. Okay, so keep making these. Hopefully you can see this okay now, because I know I'm using a bit of a darker wool. I might have to change it. Continue, make 10 rows, same as we did with single crochet, and I'll meet you back here when we have all 10 done. Okay, now we have our 10 rows complete. You should be able to count them here now. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we are going to chain 1. We're going to just give a bit more in the loop there, and we are going to cut our yarn and pull it through. Now we're going to need our tapestry needle to weave in the ends. Let's just feed the yarn through the eye of the needle. Weave it the same as we did for our single crochet. Yeah, give it an extra little pull so we can and you can do the same for this end as well. Now we've got all our ends woven in. You have your little half double crochet swatch, so now you've got your single crochet and your half double crochet swatches completed. Okay, so if your edges are a little wonky, don't worry at all. That's normal when learning new stitches. Just keep practicing. Try doing a few more rows if you wanted to, or do another start a fresh swatch. And if you make any mistakes, just gently pull the yarn back and redo the stitches. It's all part of the learning process. And we will learn double crochet in our next lesson. Well done everybody, and now you've added half double crochet to your stitch toolbox. With the chain, the single crochet and the half double crochet, you can make some beautiful simple projects. Any questions, please pop them in the comments. Next time, as I said at the beginning of this video, we'll learn how to make the double crochet. It's a taller stitch, more open stitch, creates a softer fabric quickly. Perfect for blankets, sweaters, even shawls. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. And please hit the like, as it really helps the channel. Happy crocheting everybody, and we'll see you next time.